Very good morning, my dear students. In the last two videos, I have discussed about business studies. The topic name is banking transaction. In these topics, I have discussed about I have introduced the banking and the meaning of banking transaction, and what is a bank, how the bank was derived, the word bank was derived, and RBI is the mother of bank. And also we have learnt 20 nationalized banks, 21 private banks, 45 foreign banks, and also new inclusions of the banking system is that Postal Bank of India. And today I want to continue my topic with the title Types of Bank. There are different types of banks. Each type of bank is specialized in a different type of activity. RBI, as we learnt in the last video, RBI is the mother of all the bank. It is a central bank. Under the RBI, all the bank have to function. RBI supervises all the banks. Next, we have one more type of bank is commercial bank. Commercial bank, SBI, Vijay Bank, and other whatever the bank will comes under the commercial bank. Specialized bank, industrial bank, for example ICICI Bank, IDP Bank. These are specialized only for industrial. They give only loan for companies and the industries and the factories. They are specialized giving loan to only industries. That's why it is industrial bank. And the cooperative banks are small groups, cooperative banks, state cooperative banks. There are so many banks comes under the cooperative system. Land development banks, DHL Bank only give a loan to the only land. These are some of the banks are specialized. Okay, and very quickly I move on to the types of bank account. Types of bank account. Types of bank account. Types of bank account. There are four are there. As we know that first one is saving bank account. Second one we know that current bank, and third one is recurring deposit account, and fourth one fixed deposit account or term deposit account. First one saving account, then current account, then recurring account, and the fourth one is that fixed deposit account. Very briefly I will explain this very quickly. Saving bank account. This type of account is generally open in banks by salary person or a person who have a fixed regular income. It can be facilitated to the students. Obviously you have all the saving account. Some of you have a saving account because your yearly scholarship will be directly credited to your account. For the students, senior citizens, pensioners, these all will come under the saving account. Those are student, pensioners, and senior citizens. These all will come under saving account who have a regular income. Then current account, businessman who can do transaction number of times in a day. They all comes under current account. They can do number of transaction in a day. They can do number of withdrawal in a day. So they comes under the businessman comes under the current account. And the recurring deposit account. This type of account are generally open for purpose to save money for a future. Small savings. or it may be bigger saving or small saving, whatever. It may be small savings for the land, for the purchasing car, or for the saving for the marriage, whatever. It all comes in the recurring deposit account. You can save your money daily basis, monthly basis, or quarterly basis, or 6-month basis. This all comes in the recurring deposit. And I need not to explain about the word itself. Say that here fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is certain amount. Suppose I have 50,000. I want to save money for a period of 10 years or the period of 5 years, or I want to fix for money for my daughter's marriage for the 10 years, 15 years. I can fix 50,000 for the period of 10 years or 15 years. It depends on the rate of interest, depends upon the term, how many years. So once you fix the amount, you can't withdraw the amount. You can withdraw your amount only at the expiry of the maturity or maturity date or expiry of the date. These are the 4 types of account: saving account, current account, recurring deposit account, and the fixed deposit account. The last one topic is that procedure to open an account. These are all there mentioned in the textbook. So this is the brief introduction: types of bank and types of bank account. Types of bank means central bank, that is RBI bank. Under the RBI bank will supervise all the banks system in India. RBI is the mother of all the banks. Commercial banks like all saving SBI and Vijay Bank and Corporation Bank, Andhra Bank, all will comes under the commercial banks. Specialized bank only for industries. ICICI Bank or IDP Bank, these all 2 banks specialized giving loan to the for the industries, for the factory, for the companies. And the 4th one is that land development banks are there. DHLF bank is there, only they give loan for the land development. And the last one is the cooperative banks. These are the types of bank account. Thank you. I hope this is all brief explanation you understood clearly. I will come with this much more videos in coming days. Keep watching. I need your support, your cooperation. Thank you one and all. I give, based on this topic, I post some questions. Please do assignment and send it to my personal WhatsApp number or the social subject group. Thank you one and all.